Welcome to your IsiXhosa lessons with Kolping Mbumba.
Hey, what's up everybody? Kolping Mbumba here. I'm back with another IsiXhosa lesson for today. And the word for today is a very short IsiXhosa word, and that word is Suka. Suka. Or Suka, which basically means, right? Suka is a figurative and literal IsiXhosa for get the fuck out of here. Like Suka, Hamba, Suka. This is a heartfelt, emotion-filled way of saying to a Xhosa person, get away from here. Remove yourself from my sight and from my mind. Hamba, Suka. That's what Suka means. Can be used in a couple of ways. I'll give you a few examples. When Lamntana, Suka. Hamba Suka, mnqundu. Hamba Suka makwedini, tsii. That's like a couple of ways that you can use Suka. Easy to spell. Suka, S-U-K-A. Very easy to pronounce. Suka. It's like sugar, but with a K. Suka. Suka. Hamba Suka. That's your IsiXhosa lesson for today.